Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Katie. This is Katie's Creative Escape, and today I'm going to be doing a plan with me in my Classic Happy Planner for the month or the week of March 23rd to March 29th. So here we go. So I'm mostly going to be using stickers from the newish spring sticker book from the Happy Planner because I want to do a rain theme. It's actually been raining here in Southern California, which is not common. So I was like, oh, it's a perfect time to do a rain theme. So I know there's a lot of them in this book. So first, right off the bat, I see this like spring favorites long box, which I really like. And I'm going to put it over here in the notes section on the side. So I'm looking for umbrellas, yellow boots, that kind of thing. So here, perfect. We have this umbrella. Oh my god, it's so cute. I love it. Okay, there's that. I really like this bird, but yeah, that matches the blue, so I'll add it in. So I don't have a whole lot of plans because I'm working from home, but that means I have way more to do with to schedule in the house. So I just see it as a different way to plan, not necessarily not having plans. I don't really do things outside of work and housework anyway, so it's really not that different for me. I'm just looking through the sticker book. Oh, perfect, this one. Oh god, that's so crooked. Okay, let's see if I can pull it up. Okay, it looks like it's hopefully gonna come easily. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna go long ways this time. Okay. There's another to do with that umbrella, which I'll bring in over here. I need yellow on this side, so I'm gonna do this yellow potted plant, and I'll put that here in the corner to cover it up. Cute. Okay, now I'm just flipping through, looking for more. I don't want to bring pink in. There's some pink on the page, but I don't want to bring that in. Maybe every path has its petals, and also that's perfect because this it can be a very difficult time for people with social distancing, and with the virus going around, it's very scary for a lot of people. Just using Tombow correction tape. It's my favorite kind. I'm sure you've heard about it from everyone else's videos. It really is like the only whiteout tape that I feel actually works really well. These are all like acts that you're gonna do. Nope. Oh, splash in puddles. I can do that. Well, I mean, that's not, well, metaphorically splash in puddles, but not actually, you know, because that's not necessarily safe. Okay, so I see this page, so I'm going to take a few of the stickers off this page. So I'm going to add the yellow boots, but on the other side. maybe here. All right, and then I think I'm gonna put the umbrella like over it. I like that. And then these teal birds. Okay, there's more of that, but I really, like, I think I have enough of the boots, so I don't think I'm gonna do any more. So let's keep looking through this book. Oh, I love these colors. Maybe some of these flowers. I said I didn't want to bring in pink, and I don't, though. This notes sticker matches. This side probably needs more. Yeah, this side has enough blue. Okay. I found a yellow today sticker, so I'm gonna put that over here. Or down here, no. Or over here. Over here is good. I found a yellow checklist and a blue checklist. So I'm gonna do both a yellow and a blue checklist on any, so I'll bring, this will bring in some yellow over here. And this can bring some blue in over here. Should we do it here, here, or here? Okay. Oh, there's one that says meeting, and that's perfect because I have a meeting on Tuesday. Tuesday? Yes, Tuesday. So I'll put that here. And I'll try to find some kind of like box to put it in there. I'll put this best weekend ever sticker over here to bring in yellow. Okay. Oh, I do not like, I don't know why, but I do not like photography stickers. And I like photography, but I do not like them on my stickers. Like, if I'm using stickers, I want them to be totally like cartoony. Okay, so that's like pretty much that for this book. So I'm gonna bring in, now they're all decorated. Okay, I'm gonna get it, crack open colorful boxes. Trying to think for yellow. I'm gonna look in here because I know there's yellow ones. This is colorful boxes 3. Sorry. So, yeah, that works. That's crooked. Sorry. I have to like do everything angled. If I try to do things straight, it just never happens. Okay, I like that. I don't think I really, maybe like a yellow colorful box over here. Or some kind of decor. I really like this underline, so I'm gonna look and see if I could find like a quote to go with it. Like on top of it, but there's a quote over there, but we'll just see. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one from the Colorful Boxes 3 that says breathe. I love it. And then it's like underlined, and that's kind of decorative, right? Okay, so I think that's how I'm gonna keep it for the before the pen. And then what I do is after I write in it, if I feel like I didn't write in it enough, I might go back and add more decor, or I'll just like draw doodles or use my, I'm not a great writer decoratively, but you know, I use different kinds of fonts. So like this last week, so I'll make it pop. So yeah, if you enjoy this video, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.